So your final assignment for today, your exit ticket, is to go ahead and write your project, write your haiku poem. This is part 2 of our poetry portfolio project. It is 100 points and it is due this Sunday before midnight. So going back into our creative writing Google Classroom, poetry unit day 6, that's today. You've got two things here. The actual final project is here. So I'll open that up first. So here's your rubric. This is how I'm going to grade your 100 points for this poem. So 5 elements, 20 points each. Number 1, the focus of the poem should be related to nature. So think about some nature that's important or special to you. Maybe it's a special place you like to go, or just something that you love about nature. The poem should have exactly 3 lines. So make sure if you are typing that you don't actually accidentally bump down to a second line. There should be 3 and only 3 lines in your haiku poem. And then here's your 3 lines. Line 1 should have 5 syllables. Line 2 should have exactly 7 syllables. Line 3 should have exactly 5 syllables. And there should be a relevant title. Make sure somewhere in this box you have a title for your poem. And then add or create a colorful illustration to represent your poetry. So if you want to print this and do it by hand, you're welcome to do it. Or if you want to do it electronically and submit it, that's fine as well. So this is what I'll be grading. This is your 100-point haiku project. Just a special note, I do have a plagiarism checker on this assignment, so please don't copy and paste a haiku from the internet. It will catch it and you'll get a 0. If you don't know what to do, or if you're having trouble thinking about getting started, I have included a handout here for you, the Haiku Starter. This is not required. This is not a graded assignment. This is just to kind of help you create a rough draft if you're having trouble getting started. It is a really helpful handout. So here you've got choose your topic. First of all, think about what you want to write your poem about. What landscape are you thinking of? Is it a forest landscape, a river, a beach, an ocean, an island, anything, have a tree, a flower, an animal? And then brainstorm just a whole bunch of words that are about that topic or about that place. And then next to each word, write how many syllables are in that word. So that way, maybe if you're looking for a word to complete, if you need 7 syllables and you've only got 4, well, maybe you'll have a 3-syllable word here that you can add in your line. So this is just to brainstorm a bunch of words and count their syllables. And then there is a rough draft graphic organizer here for you to use as well. You don't have to do this. If you think you're ready to just go ahead and create your project here, that's fine. But if you're having a little bit of trouble getting started, I encourage you to use this form. It will help you. But again, I am not grading this haiku starter. It's just a handout for you to help keep your thoughts and get them organized on paper. And then this poetry project, the final project, is what I'll be grading. So go ahead and write your poem, be creative, and I'll see you next week.